Good evening, everyone. It's Thursday, February 28th. It's Bruce's box break, number 8, I guess. And this is the eBay official time. We'll get it done here. 1746 and 2046. So let's see. Last team sold was the the Winnipeg Jets, rather, and that was at 1953 on February 28th. Also, I've had a team that didn't sell, so I just thought, well, what the heck, I'll throw it in. So everybody that bought, I put your names in 3 times, and we'll randomize it 4 times. Whoever's on top will get that team, which is Ottawa Senators. Well, there's some Sens fans. Okay, so there's once, twice, jeez, and 3, and last time, whoever's on top. Okay, Timbu underscore 86. You get Ottawa, so I'll mark you in there. Thank you. Okay, let's get to the break. I'm gonna have to plug in here. Where's my plug in? Okay. We're certainly not going to lose power now. Okay. So I've been gone for a little bit. Down to Jamaica, a little vacation, Mon. Very good. It was a pretty good time. 86. Okay, so here's your list of winners. Let's see, where's the start? I hate doing things upside down. And of course, I always keep the Bruins. Okay, now as far as our packs of Hockey Day and Canada cards, generally it goes to the person who has the deepest pockets or spends the most. Well, this time, Woody, Wade, you spent 16 cents more than Timbu, so I've got a couple of them. You'll each get one. Okay, great. So, without further ado, we'll get going here. There's your serial number. I'm not sure what it is. I think ends in 4505, I guess. I think you can see that pretty good. Box is all sealed. Yada yada yada. Good luck, everyone. Putting another break up for tomorrow night. I'll do a few. I don't know if they'll be every night, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Checklist. Dare to tear, which will be torn, as you know. And it's the team inside of the dare to tear that gets the card, not the team on the outside of it. We call it a trade. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If I have a pair of glasses. Okay, good luck, everyone. Hopefully we'll get some nice hits. Let's see. Maybe that'd be better. Okay. Base. Base. Gifted grinders for the Ottawa Senators. Chris Neal. So that goes to Timbu. See, because you get that team for free. And we've got a nice Epics patch. Thompson Tobias Enstrom, numbered 88 out of 100, and it's a nice blue patch there. Very nice. Thrashers, aka Winnipeg. So that goes to Wade. Base and base. And again, I always go through the cards before I send them out, because me being the bright person I am, a lot of times I'll miss one, you know, in a hurry doing something or whatever. Okay, so we got base, Brian Boucher, base, Curtis Joseph, Cujo, for the Blues, spacer, base, and base. Had to turn the Bruins game off, because when I do this when the game's on, I always get screwed up. Base, value collector, we have a redemption. Card number 199. And I hope that's the 1st of June that expires, not the 6th of, I think it's the 1st of June. Number 199, autographed rookies, Luke Adam. Okay, I'll have to look him up, because I don't know half of who's playing where. I can never remember. So anyway, I'll look that up and have a quick see. Rod Gilbert for the Rangers. Spacer, base, and base. Notice I'm not wearing that nice Bruin ring today. I had to take it off when I went down south. I kind of swell up in the heat, so I didn't want to have it cutting my finger off or anything, you know. Okay, so we got base, for the Pittsburgh Penguins. We've got Creases the Word, Marc-Andre Fleury, and not numbered. And then we've got a Winter Warriors, scrap of red in there for the Canadians, Scott Gomez, not numbered. Scotty's no longer a Canadian, but that's where he goes anyway. Base and base. Another Marc-Andre Fleury, base. We've got a Mosaics for the Capitals, Mike Knuble, Eric Furr, and Alex Ovechkin. No scraps on it, just a plain card, and not numbered. I got a problem with my light here. And right behind it, another Mosaics. This one is for Detroit, Thomas Tatar, Nicholas Ledstrom, and Hendrik Zetterberg, and it's got one scrap of red on it. And nice card, and that one's not numbered either. Base and base. Base. Behind the bench, Claude Julien. I just want to show you, this is numbered 91 out of 199. Nice card, and obviously I have the Bruins. Just one sec, I'll try to remember to show you this about that. There's a Dave Schultz for the Flyers. Spacer, base, and base. I'm just going to go right now. I'll be right here. Here's my card that I already have of Behind the Bench Claude Julien, and I just want to brag. This one's a little different though, because if you look at the back, it's 1 of 1. It says 2011 Stanley Cup Finals. But that's my own personal one that I have. I've had it for a little while now. Nice card. Okay, so we got base, base, Z rookie, Jordan Pierce. For Detroit, numbered 433 out of 999. And we have another Winter Warriors. Thomas Vanek for Buffalo. A white patch on it. I'm not sure if that gold lettering means anything on it or not. Anyway, that's for Buffalo. Nice hit for Buffalo. Base. 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 We've got a red hot Jonathan Toews, Chicago. Nice little card, not numbered. And a Joe Sakic for the Caps, or the Avs rather. Base and base. Kessler, who's out with an injury again. Base, base. Chasing the Cup, another Marc-Andre Fleury. That one's not numbered. Gee, it's a good box. Winter Warriors. Taylor Hall for Edmonton. Nice orange patch on it there. And not numbered. Nice card nonetheless. Base and base. And last pack. We've got, oh nice, base. And we've got a Chris Russell. Private signings for the Columbus Blue Jackets. And those are not numbered. Nice to get one of those stuck in there every now and then. Dougie Gilmour for Toronto. Spacer, base, and base. So that's it for the regular packs. We'll go to the Dare to Tear now. Let's see who's going to get done before the trade deadline. Oh. I know whoever has the Avs is going to be mad. Hockeytown Champs, you get traded. Patrick Roy. Okay, but I guess the deal is that we tear them all. So Patrick, you're out of here. In his place, we get a Sidney Crosby. Epics. Okay, it's not numbered. Okay, so that's it for the break. I want to thank everyone again for buying in. It's a fun way to do it, I think. And tomorrow night I have one on just about I don't know, 9:30, somewhere around there it's ending. So hopefully I'll see you there. This card here, I'll check it out and I'll just notify whoever got it, they'll get it. So okay, thanks very much. Have a good one. Hope to see you tomorrow night.